Hello everyone, Roshan Drives here. So in this video, I'll be driving through the city traffic and showing you guys how it feels to drive in a crazy situation where there will be a lot of motorbikes and there will be a lot of people, and the main thing here is that no one is going to follow the traffic rules. So basically I'll be driving through these sort of scenarios and talking with you guys as well. Now here the road is quite open, but soon I'll be driving in a very narrow road and like the traffic will be like crazy. Hope you guys will enjoy the video, and you guys can already notice that the number of motorbikes now are started increasing, and there are a lot of motorbikes, man. And especially in the places where there are a lot of motorbikes, it's very difficult to drive cars because most of the motorbikes driver, they don't follow the traffic rules. They just try to cross you, and you need to be very careful while driving in this sort of scenarios. Okay, so from here I'll be turning right, so I have turned my right side indicator on. I'm on the second gear. Let me downset into first. I need to be very careful because I cannot predict what will happen next year. Now I have merged to the main road. I will be constantly keeping my eyes on the side view mirrors, and I need to be very cautious as well. Let me increase the speed of my car a little bit. Opposite to the third gear. I enjoy driving in this sort of scenarios. I'll notice that the peoples, they are just crossing from wherever they're like, and there is no any zebra cross or any sort of signs to cross the road, but still people are crossing the road from wherever they like. And I know that all these scenarios increases in the number of accidents, and you guys can notice that the cows are moving in the road. Oh, this is crazy, man. The road, basically, the road is for everyone. Yeah, you can see the dogs are running in the road, the cows, the buffaloes, and people wherever they are crossing the road from wherever they like, and cyclists, everyone, they are just merged in this road. So it's very like, it's kind of enjoying to drive in this sort of scenarios, but at the same time, we need to be very cautious as well so that we don't have any accident. So from here I'll be turning left and I'll be driving on more narrow roads, okay? And showing you guys how it feels to drive in this sort of roads. Now look at the cyclist here. People are crossing the road. I must have to give the horn, otherwise they will just keep on crossing, and I don't want to hit them. Now look at the motorbikes, guys. Oh man, it's crazy. I'm completely surrounded by motorbikes here. Oh, it's crazy. Oh man. Now I'm driving on very narrow road, okay guys? You guys can notice the width of the road here. I've already talked that this road is for everyone. There is no footpath for the pedestrian to move. They all are moving on the road, and I think it's very dangerous to move in the roads like this. To sum it up, it's like crazy experience to drive here. If I compare with the Western countries, it's like very crazy. Now you guys can notice the width of the road, okay? Barely two cars are fitting on the road. still I love driving in this sort of scenarios, man. I must give the horn because I don't want to hear them. Yeah. I need to keep on checking my surroundings all the time. Oh. At the same time, you guys can see there are a lot of potholes in the road. Okay, I need to overtake this one. Now look at here, guys, how narrow the road is. I love driving here, man. I think this is always happening because of the number of motorbikes. You guys can notice that there are a lot of motorbikes here. I'll dump it into first gear. I think again I need to overtake him as well. But it's very difficult because of the motorbikes. They keep on coming from the other lane. So I think it's better if I do not be in a hurry. Oh man. The road is very narrow and the number of traffic, you guys can see that. It's like crazy. I'm constantly keeping my eyes on the side view mirrors so that I don't hit anyone when I make a slight turn. Now what he is doing, I must overtake him now. You guys can notice the number of potholes. The road is very bad. So from here I'll be turning right and the road will be more narrow here. Okay, now you guys can see the width of the road. It's very narrow. And the motorbikes are being parked on this narrow road. Let me let him pass. I must give a horn because the road is very narrow and I've already talked about the number of motorbikes. Oh man, it's like crazy. The road is very, very narrow. The dog is sleeping on the road. I must give a horn so that he wakes up and will. Okay. Now here you guys can see that there are two motorbikes and the road is very narrow. Still, I'll be passing through this narrow space. But I need to be very careful I don't hit on anything. Okay. Okay, so this was all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed today's drive. If you did, don't forget to like the video, and if you guys are new here, consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching. Drive safe and take care.